Hello. You don't know me, but I know you. I want to play a game. Want to play a game? Want to play a game? Want to play a game? Want to play a game?
Hey guys, welcome back. Hope you're all doing well. As you've seen in the start of the video, we are going to be recreating Jigsaw today from the Saw films. So let's get straight to it with some liquid latex and Vaseline first on these eyebrows just to protect them. So let's get to it. So now the eyebrows are Vaseline down. I have put my jumper on because I did get a bit cold, and I've also put my ears on just to scrape the hair back and get all the baby hairs back. But yeah, now it's time for your liquid latex and cotton wool balls. Pre-warning, this will get messy. So guys, I've decided I don't like this cheek, so I'm going to take it off and redo it. So let's go. Now guys, we wait for it to dry, so grab yourself a drink, play on your phone, whatever, just wait for it to dry. So, time to wait. Right guys, so now they are dry and in place, we are going to base the face completely white. So, taking your Snazaroo face paint, let's base it all down. So now guys, we're going to take our red Snazaroo face paint and do the swirls on the cheeks and our lips. I also am going to do the eyes of Jigsaw on my actual eyelids because I don't have contacts, so we'll get them done now. Right guys, so now I'm going to use black Snazaroo face paint to do the lines, and then I'm going to use some eyeshadow just to do some shading, and then I will get on to the eyes. So let's go with the black lines with the Snazaroo face paint. Right guys, so now I'm looking like a bit of a creepy Michael Jackson at the moment. We're going to get the eyes done, so taking black Snazaroo face paint and red Snazaroo face paint, we're going to paint the eyes just here on the lids because, like I said before, I don't have contacts, so let's get them painted. So guys, I'm just gonna touch up the mouth because I don't like the way that it looks at the moment, so I'm just gonna like mess it up a little bit, make it look less of a weird creepy smile and more of like the Billy doll actually looks. Right guys, let's get into costume. So here is the final Billy saw puppet look, guys. I don't have a costume, but if you do look here, I did used to have the costume, but unfortunately I don't have it anymore, and it would have gone so well. But I've just painted on a shirt and a sort of jacket and a bow tie with Snazzy face paints, paired it up with some hair. I know it doesn't look like Billy's hair, but I have tried with what I've got. But yeah guys, here is the Billy saw puppet doll look. So if you do like what you see guys, please rate, comment and subscribe to my channel, and please go to my Facebook page. I have put a poll up just to see what people would like to see on the channel. So yeah, it's Paris Brown MUA on Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. Just yeah, let me know guys. Right, now stay tuned for more pictures and videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Want to play